Hi guys, if you really want to be your very best self, you always look to a regime, whether it's getting on the keto diet or doing your spin classes. These things are designed to make you look and feel fantastic. Now, why shouldn't that be any different for your hair? I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Our dream regime is a really innovative, simple way for you to get the most unbelievable results from your hair. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. As you can see here with La Rosie's hair, it's this dry, coarse texture and it doesn't have any kind of natural shine to it. And our goal is to make her hair super reflective, super shiny and really, really healthy, kind of glowing hair. Now the first step to achieving this is using the Dream Filter. Really, really simple. It's a pre-shampoo mineral and metal remover for the hair that you spray on dry and you leave it 1 to 3 minutes and then shampoo. This is going to pull off all of the impurities that are built up on the hair that could be dulling it and weighing it down. So the next step was to shampoo La Rosie's hair using the Color Security shampoo. This shampoo is great because it's very gentle on the hair but gets it really, really clean at the same time. It also doesn't contain any of those added ingredients like a lot of other shampoos, so it leaves nothing behind on the hair. A beautiful clean slate to work with. We conditioned with the Color Security conditioner for normal to thick hair. This is great because it packs the hair full of moisture and hydration and it acts as a really good detangler. So next we're going to treat the hair with the Dream Cocktail. There's actually 3 different Dream Cocktails depending on the problem you're trying to solve with your hair. The first one is kale, and that's if you have a lot of breakage. The next is the carb cocktail if you have a fine textured hair. And then you have the coconut Dream Cocktail, which is really for major hydration. So now we're going to treat La Rosie's hair with the coconut Dream Cocktail. This is going to really quench the core of her hair with tons of moisture, which is what she needs. And at the same time, it's going to rebuild the virgin layer on her hair, which is really going to help get that beautiful shine. So now we have the ultimate texture transformer, the Dream Coat. Once we've saturated this into the hair and blow dried with heat and tension, it's going to give it that awesome mirror-like shine, that really glass hair we want to achieve. But at the same time, it's going to protect from any humidity that's out there, up to 3 to 4 washes. So now we've finished blow drying La Rosie's hair, and you can see this unbelievable shine and reflection she has. Now just to finish off the look, we're going to pop in a wave. Now you can see the unbelievable finish on La Rosie's hair. It's shiny, healthy, glossy, beautifully hydrated. Now this was only achievable because we used the important steps of the Dream regime. Starting with the Dream Filter, we detoxed, and then we came clean with the shampoo, we detangled and hydrated with the conditioner, we then treated the problem with the Dream Cocktails, and then we transformed that texture using the Dream Coat. Make sure to follow @ColorWowHair, and you can follow me @Mr. Giles Robinson. Cheers.